Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, Shells Hearts Art, and I want to say a big thank you to anyone who is watching because I know it's been a long time since I posted a video. So if anybody's watching, thank you so much for hanging in there. So today I'll just be doing a January makes video, so I'll be talking about everything I made in the month of January, so let's start. One of the first things I completed in the month of January was the Simplicity Pattern S8994 by Mimi G, and I did the jacket right there, and I used a pink Sherpa fleece. I actually started on this pattern in December 2019, but I completed it in January. And I did follow along with the sew along on her YouTube channel that's hosted by Brittany J. Jones. You can find her on Instagram, and you can find her sewing channel on YouTube as well. Yeah, I followed along with that, and it was pretty easy to follow along with. I did omit the zipper just because honestly I just really didn't want to put a zipper in. That's just the honest truth, but I still like how it came out. I'm really happy with it, and I will be posting pictures at the end of the video. So yeah, and I actually have my Sherpa right here, so let me show you all. Sorry for I have my dog right here, and she's trying to interrupt the video, so I'm just trying to keep things moving smoothly, but it's kind of hard because she's literally right here. It's okay, we love her. Okay, so here is my Sherpa. You can see it's lined in a nice pink fabric, and it actually got featured on the Simplicity page, so that was exciting. But yeah, I love it. I love to wear it. It's very warm, very cozy, and it's such a fun pattern to wear and to make, and I do see myself making more in other types of fabrics. Something else that I made in the month of January was a suit dress, a blazer dress actually. It was my first blazer I have ever made in the entirety of my sewing thingamajiggy. So yeah, the first blazer I ever made. So I used the New Look pattern N6636, and I did view B right here, and I used a white suiting fabric to make mine, and I also partook in the Sew Suit Up challenge hosted by Crumpets Tea and Sewing and Andrea Naturally. So that was fun. I got to challenge myself. I did purposely choose something very simple as opposed to more complicated suit patterns because I'm just not used to making blazers or anything in the suit family, so I wanted to challenge myself, but I didn't want to like take it too far, you know what I'm saying? So this was pretty fun, and I have the suit as well right here, with the suit dress, the blazer dress right here, and please forgive me, it is wrinkly, and also I still have yet to complete the inside of it. Like, it's complete on the outside, but I need to seal up the ends, you know, like make it look all clean inside. So if you can notice the inside, I'm so sorry, but here it is right here. And I'll insert pictures as well at the end of the video. But yeah, I used some red buttons just to accentuate the white, and overall I really like it. It's so funny because actually of all the fabrics, I am not a fan of white fabrics. Like, I just don't like it because I tend to get things dirty. I don't want to like get my white fabric dirty, so I was like, why in the world did I pick white? But I was just drawn to like the overall clean look of it, so yeah, there you go. And last but not least, for the month of January, I partook in the Sew Unconventional Challenge hosted by Lynn Wardrobe Sews and Tabitha Sewer. You can find them on Instagram. And you can find Tabitha, you can find them on YouTube as well. But I partook in the Sew Unconventional Challenge. So I used a mashup of patterns. I used Simplicity. This is the display number 0862, but it's Simplicity A597. So I used the skirt. I did view A. And I also used McCalls M7632, and I used this bodice of view A as well. So yeah, I used view A on both, and I matched them up to make a gown, and I will show you all here. Okay, I made a gown, and the whole point of the Sew Unconventional Challenge is to use unconventional materials to make a garment. I'm not gonna lie, it was my first time partaking in anything of that nature. I low-key was confused. I was like, I don't really know what I'm gonna use, and I do watch Project Runway, and so I know on there they get really creative, and they usually have a stash to pull from, so they can kind of they create those unconventional ideas. I, on the other hand, was kind of like I wasn't overwhelmed at all. Honestly, I'll be serious, because I just looked at it as something fun, so I was just kind of confused as to what I was gonna use. But I ended up just using muslin as my base, and I used a bunch of crystal dazzlers, and I used spray paint. But I'll show you the dress. I don't have the overskirt because I did make the overskirt. That was more of the unconventional part. The overskirt uses plastic, and I spray painted it, but it's such a mess to bring inside. Like, it literally drops paint all over the floor, and that's a mess to clean up. So I'll just insert pictures. I'm so sorry, but I cannot put myself through that again. Now, if they were to ever do the unconventional challenge, I would definitely consider doing it again. It was a lot of fun. You know, so, but this is the dress, and I did have a side zip. It's a lot of work. Oh, it's kind of heavy too, but it was so much fun. But I just, yeah, like I said, I would love to show you all the skirt, but I just can't put myself through that mess again of cleaning up. But yeah, that's all for the month of January. I'm also wearing a me-made dress right here. The fabric's from Minerva, but I'll talk about that in a later video. Also, if you'd like to, feel free to follow me on Instagram, Shells Hearts Art, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I want to say a big thank you to anybody who is watching, because I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, and I did get some people messaging me asking me when I would post again. And honestly, I kind of had I lost my YouTube mojo, but I'm not going to bore you all with that. If you want to read about it, I'll put it in my description, but it's nothing dramatic. It literally, I just kind of lost my sojo. Not my sojo, but my YouTube sojo. Okay, anyways. Alright, thank you so much, y'all. Bye bye. I'll see you on my next video.